Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data from Android to iPhone device. So in the first step you have to download on your both devices the Send Anywhere app, so look for it in the App Store and Google Store, and of course after that open it. Now select the files that you want to send from the Android device. As you can see, there are a few sections like photos, videos, etc. So just select your files by clicking on the left upper corner. After that, click on the send icon and choose receive on your Apple device. Now enter the code from the Android device and click on the receive. As you can see, the transfer data starts automatically, and now just wait, and that's it. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.